Hey there, today we are going to split 54 into 3 equal parts. Let's find out what number we get. Let's set it up. We write 54 inside the long division house, and 3 goes on the outside. The 3 is the number we split by. First, look at the 5. How many times does 3 fit inside 5? Just one time. 1 times 3 is 3. Now take away 3 from 5, and we have 2 left over. Now we bring the 4 down to sit next to the 2. That gives us a new number, 24. How many times does 3 fit into 24? It fits 8 times. 8 times 3 is 24. Take away 24 from 24, and we get 0. Nothing left over. Awesome job! 54 split into 3 equal parts gives us 18. That means if you share 54 things with 3 friends, each friend gets 18.